If you need to save a Lucidchart file as a PDF, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the easiest way to export your Lucidchart document as a PDF on your PC, plus a couple of helpful settings you should know before you download. This is perfect if you want to share a diagram, print it, upload it, or keep a clean offline copy of your work. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your document in Lucidchart on your PC and make sure the file you want to export is fully loaded on the screen. Once your diagram is open, look to the top left corner of the workspace and click the More menu, which is the three horizontal lines icon. This is where Lucidchart keeps several important options, including export and file actions. After the menu opens, hover over File or Export depending on what your version shows. Lucidchart may label things slightly differently, but the goal is the same. You're looking for the export options that let you save your document in another format. When the sub-menu appears, select PDF from the list of available file types. Now Lucidchart will open a Download Settings panel. This part is important because it lets you customize how your PDF will look. One of the main options here is Crop. If you want the entire drawing area included, choose Full Canvas. If you want Lucidchart to trim away extra white space and focus only on the content, choose Crop to Content. And if you need a specific section only, you can use Custom Crop. Take a moment to review any other settings that appear in the panel as well, especially if your document is large, detailed, or contains multiple shapes and pages. Choosing the right export settings can make a big difference in how clean and professional your PDF looks when it's finished. When you're happy with the settings, click the blue download button at the bottom of the panel. Lucidchart will process the file and begin creating your PDF. Depending on the size of your document, this may take a few seconds. Once it's ready, your browser or PC will save the file to your default downloads folder. At this point, you can open the downloads folder on your computer and check that the PDF saved correctly. You can rename it, move it to another folder, email it, upload it, or print it whenever you need. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully saved Lucidchart as a PDF. If this tutorial was helpful, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.